Teka lang, huwag kang magmadali. Dito muna, huwag ka munang umuwi. Sa tabi, huwag ka sanang alis. Oh, mamaya na, diyan ka muna sandali. Kahit sandali. Pwede bang dito ka na lang? Samahan mo naman akong mag-isa. Sa'yo lang, sa'yo lang. Kahit di ko alam kung saan ito papunta. Oh, ito na naman, muling naramdamang ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Kaya nakakayanan kong di matakot mabigo. Kahit kailan di hinto, kahit maubos man ako. Kaya't huwag sanang lumayo kahit sandali. Kahit sandali. Pwede bang dito ka na lang? Samahan mo naman akong mag-isa. Sa'yo lang, sa'yo lang. Kahit di ko alam kung saan ito papunta. Huwag kang mawawala. Huwag kang mawawala. Pwede bang dito ka na lang? Samahan mo naman ako mag-isa. May bilis daig pa ang segundo sa aking relo. Bawat pintig nito para sa'yo. At kung iyong maririnig malambing mong tinig, masasabi mong payapa ang daigdig. Makita sa iba. At para bang wala nang hanapin pang iba kundi ikaw. Kung hindi ikaw, wag na lang. Nakikita ng malinaw, nais mong iparating. Sinasabi nitong baka ako'y gusto mo rin. O kahit sarap isipin na baka ikaw ang para sa'kin. Kung ganun man ay di ka bibiguin. Kung makikita mo lang sarili mo sa aking mata, masisilayan mong iyong ganda. Taglay mong hiwagang di makita sa iba. Kundi ikaw. Kung hindi ikaw, wag na lang. At kung hindi naman ikaw, kung hindi ikaw, wag na lang. Wag na lang. Kung hindi ikaw, wag na lang. Wag na lang. Kung di ikaw, wag na lang. Wag na lang. Kung di ikaw.
Hey fam, welcome to another episode of Easy Rock Plugged In with yours truly. My name is Shai and you just heard the music of Dave Trinidad, our guest for this afternoon. You first heard Kahit Sandali and then the one after that was Hiwaga, and those are both the original soundtrack to the movie. Nag-invento. But that's exactly what I was feeling kasi nung pinapakinggan kita. Guys, kung I don't know if they have shots of me, but nakaganyan lang ako the entire time mo. Kumagano no, kasi talaga natutuwa ako sa music mo. And then again, I just imagined for some reason like it was going to be an original soundtrack of a movie of some sort. Looking forward tayo dyan. But anyway, welcome to the show. Hi, Dave.
Hi, hello.
What is Dave short for? Dabi-dabi-dap, mga ganon.
No.
Ano?
Dave lang siya talaga.
Dave lang talaga. Okay. Medyo selfish ang parents mo dun na. Talagang Dave lang.
Pero marami nagkakamali na David.
Wala, hindi.
Meron nagkakamali.
Okay. Pero, yeah, I would have thought.
Katanggap-tanggap naman.
No, Dave lang talaga, no?
Pero
But
Dave lang.
short and sweet.
Yeah.
Dave. All right, Dave, again, welcome to Easy Rock Plugged In. Ang galing mo.
Thank you.
But what keeps Dave busy nowadays, aside from your music?
I'm a public servant and graduating student, BS Criminology student sa Bulacan State University. And yun, yung music.
Actually, ang dami nga pala, no? Like, a lot of things keep Dave busy, and we're still so glad that you're able to come over here. Okay naman yung pagpo-push up mo kanina. Medyo nagising ka na.
Nagising naman.
Oo,
nakabawi.
Okay, ito paano? Kasi guys, kanina I was just joking, give me 10 push-ups. Nag-push-ups po siya. Sayang nga, we weren't able to catch it. But I mean, I don't know if you want to do that again, but maybe later on. But for now, we gotta talk about your song. Again, it's Kahit Sandali. It's supposedly about asking someone to stay and keep you company even for a short while. You know, in a world that's often values being nonchalant, what makes you stay a lover boy who chases after someone?
Ito kasi yun, yung song na yun, yung first verse niya, it's full of words na sinasabi natin to make someone stay. Diba? Tapos, what keeps me being a lover boy, syempre, ayun, yung
iba yung blush mo dun,
special someone na, ayun, she hates it kasi kapag hindi ako showy. She wants me to be showy sa kanya. Tapos, ayun, sa ngayon, yung songs na mga sinusulat ko, it's about her. My experience with her, ganun.
So, ba't hindi ka showy?
Hindi ko nakasanayan sa family namin kasi yung parents ko hindi sila showy. Pero, sobrang
you're working on it, parang ganun. Talaga ba? Nag-effort ka naman. Yeah. Nakakapag-holding hands while walking ka na, ganun. Dati ba hindi?
Hindi.
That's cute. That's cute. Well, to your girl, of course, good luck with the process. Sana you can be more patient, you know, the more he's trying to grow. But how about your other song naman, Hiwaga? I know that blew up on TikTok. So what is the kwento behind that song? Why you decided to write that song?
Ano siya eh, nag-flow lang siya sa akin eh. May hawak ako na gitara, nagsusulat ako. Pero sa phone pala ako nagsusulat.
As we do, mga Gen Z millennial, okay.
Na nag-flow lang siya sa akin eh, na kasi yung basta kasi may na-feel yung isang songwriter. Tapos biglang dumali yun. Sobrang bilis ko lang nasulat yung kanta na yun. Tapos na-record ko siya, tapos pinarinig ko sa kanya and pinarinig ko sa mga kabanda ko ngayon, kay Carlo. Tapos ayun, nakakatuwa na yun yung naging first single kasi ang iba yung parang hindi ako yun eh, yung nagsulat nun. Parang iba yung Dave na nagsusulat dati nung high school. Tapos nung narinig ko yung sarili ko sa kanta na yun, nung na-record ko siya. Iba.
Wow, nag-mature ako, ganun.
Hindi ko alam. Parang
basta you feel like it's a completely different sound from what you're used to writing.
Kapag in love talaga.
Hindi ko alam yung feeling na yun. Bakit kami kapag na-in love naman kami mga normal na tao, hindi naman kami nagsusulat. But you know what? Again, siguro kasi musician, you know, artist talaga. Pero guys, actually, sa sobrang na-enlighten daw si Dave sa pagsulat ng song na yan, 2 days ago niya lang nasulat yun. Nag-viral agad at andito na siya agad. Ganun kabilis. Ang galing mo. Very talented, Dave. No, I'm kidding. But going back to being viral on TikTok, another song actually went viral. You know, you recently went viral with a funny cover of Deadma by Rocksteady. Following a viral interview with Karen Davila and a certain individual, what inspired you to join the trend just by singing? Kasi di ba usually video repurposes, skits, or impersonations. So anong nangyari?
Nakakatawa kasi nakita ko lang siya sa newsfeed ko eh, sa Facebook. Tapos, kailangan kong gumawa ng content eh. Kailangan ko magpapansin eh. So, naisip ko.
The word, I love it. Okay.
Kantahin yung kanta na yun. Kasi meron ding history na ino-okray ni Vice si Teddy sa kanta na Matsigaw.
Oh, yeah.
Tinry ko sila kantahin na nilalabas
Sample ulit ngayon.
Matsigaw. Ngayon, kapag inuulit-ulit yung siya, natatawa pa rin ako sa sarili ko.
Oo, ang halata nga naman. But it is quite funny. It's quite funny to just see in your newsfeed. Ano kaya, not newsfeed, your scroll ka lang, di ba? Ano naman to? And then you make people laugh. I love it. Well, how about for this one? You're known for covers and you've officially put out 3 songs. Are we expecting an album, or an EP from you soon? On the works na ba? Ano?
Pwede naman sabihin. Pero, yeah, merong lalabas na EP. Basically, isang song yung i-highlight dito. Pero hindi siya song ng taong in love.
Ay.
It's a song ng taong nag-let go dahil sa sobrang pagmamahal niya sa tao na yun. Gusto niya maging masaya yung tao na yun. Kaya
pero sana hindi ka naman nagre-relate doon ngayon, di ba? Hindi talaga. Okay. Kakabahan ako kasi kakakwento mo lang kanina. I'm worried for her, Well, alright. We're very excited for that one. Siyempre, we all love that our artists who come over at Easy Rock plugged in. They thrive. They have their albums upcoming habang kami taga-interview lang, ganun. Talent. Diba? But anyway, let's have an icebreaker game this time. So normally we'd love to, of course, get to know our artists through their music, but we also like to get to know them in a more personal sense. So we have this game called This or That. So basically, this or that lang. Bawal both. Ayan. So we found out that you're based in Bulacan. You mentioned it earlier, diba? So sino sa tingin mo ang madalas taga-adjust? Mga taga-north or taga-south?
Taga-south.
Inamin mo.
Yeah. Kasi, laging meeting place, Trinoma.
Guys, at least finally may umamin. May umamin na rin talagang taga-north na ang south ang lagi nag-a-adjust. Thank you. In behalf of all the Southeast peeps, nagpapasalamat po kami sa'yo, Dave.
Same vibes kayo ni Valin Montenegro.
Hi! Talaga ba? Oh my gosh! May kwento
Same
talaga
vibes.
yan eh. Like, she was my long-lost twin.
Oh.
Well, it's another kwento for another day. Akala mo talaga totoo no? But that's a joke I always say. But anyway, thank you for that. Next one. Imagine you're invited to 2 gigs with the same date and time slot. Talagang, Which gig would you take? The music festival or the university fair?
University fair.
Oh, bakit kaya?
Sobrang saya ng crowd kapag students.
Oh, yeah.
Sobrang, yung energy nila hindi nauubos eh. Mula sa simula hanggang sa...
What college are you in again right now?
Bulacan State University.
And you're graduating. Sure ka na? Sorry. That's what I usually ask my interns. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, so normally, as a joke, guys, by the way, hindi ako ganun kasamang intern supervisor. Anyway, so normally, ikaw ba yung nagpa-perform sa mga events sa school?
Sa school namin, di ako na-invite eh. Pero sa ibang schools, like dito sa Manila.
Bulacan State? Keep up naman. Nakakahiya naman.
Kadalasan nga ng gigs ko, Manila.
Okay.
Wala masyado sa Malos. Pero sa June 15, sa Giginto, Bulacan.
There you go. So, hindi pa rin talaga sa Bulacan State. No? Guys, ano ba, nag-aabang ka lang ba dyan sa stage? Parang baka naman ngayon yung moment ko na. They're gonna ask me to perform. Hawak-hawak mo ng gitara mo. Ganun. Wala lang. Hindi naman ganun. Ang lungkot naman kung ganun na. But congrats, of course, to all of your gigs. And I understand what you mean when you said na yung vibes ng students, yung energy nila nakakatuwa. But anyway, growing back to the game. Pinasayaw ka ng host ng gig mo and you only have 2 songs to choose from. Salamin Salamin or Pantropiko?
Salamin.
Sample.
Hindi ko alam yung steps.
Same, don't worry. Kaya I was worried actually na sabihin nila mag-sample ka talaga. How about this? No context, but imagine you were to pick a song to cover last minute. Would you cover a song from Ed Sheeran or a song from Juan Carlos?
Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran. Not saying mas idol mo, but what's your favorite Ed Sheeran song to cover?
I See Fire.
Marami.
A-Team.
Oh, yes.
Pero yung favorite album ko is yung Multiply.
Bakit kaya mahilig sa math si Ed Sheeran?
Siguro kasi nerd siya.
well, he has that vibe. No matter how cool he is as an artist, he has that vibe. But anyway, thank you for playing our little icebreaker game. But this time, ito talaga, let's go back to you being the artist. So you said that Hayaan is a song about addiction that we develop when we get closer to someone. Was this inspired of, I don't know, maybe some early stages of your relationship with your hiwaga? Alam mo yung tawa mo, para bang, nahuli ako ni Shai. Ano ba yan? Sige, game.
Yeah, early stages. Nung time na nanliligaw ako, na, ayun. Yung song kasi, parang nag-ask ka ng permission na mahalin mo siya and mahalin ka niya sa paraan na gusto niyo na gawin sa isa't isa.
Consent.
Tapos,
asking permission.
Nagkikita-kita na kami. Tapos, kapag hindi kami magkasama, yan.
Sad.
I miss you.
I miss you too. Ano ba, Dave? Stop it. Ay, akala ko ako sinasabihan niya ng I miss you. Sorry. Oh, ito. How about, how did the art concept or style for the lyric video come to be, you know? Kasi parang all the 3 songs, diba, they kind of share the same visual concept. Or gawa-gawa ko lang ba yung tanong na yun?
Yeah, napag-meetingan namin ng team sa UMG, nila Tyron, sila Steven. Yung ganong concept na kasi connected talaga yung 3 songs. Tapos naisip nila na gawin siyang parang storyline na mula sa pagkabata na nagliligawan hanggang doon sa pagtanda nila na
trilogy pala to.
Yeah.
I love it.
Ang ganda na naisip nilang concept kasi ayun, nagustuhan ko din kasi connected naman yung 3 songs.
Well, ang ganda rin kasi ng songs mo eh. It all starts from that talaga. And seriously though, you're a very, very talented musician. Kayo ng talented. Anyway. Better ni siya eh. Anyway, so ito, in a society that mostly banks on, you know, sawi culture, and as an artist known for releasing many love songs, what advice can you offer to those kinds of listeners and to your fans and viewers in general?
Hindi naman natin kasi
ready?
I mean, hindi natin kayang kontrolin kung ano yung pakinggan ng tao eh. Kumbaga, kung ito yung trip nila, okay, pakinggan nyo. Tapos, parang mas masarap lang kasi sumulat na tungkol sa love. Kasi, love is all we need. Like, a little bit of love sa lahat ng bagay na ginagawa mo. Ayun. Sasaya ka eh.
Okay lang. Better talaga.
Kahit sa pagluluto, di ba, Mark?
Nice lang.
Tatlong bisik ng pagmamahal.
Ay, may ganun.
Ingredients.
May ganun. Alam mo, we started off the program. Alam ko, medyo nahiya ka. Ganun. Ngayon, I love the vibe. I'm loving the energy. Makulit ka rin. I'm loving it. Well, thank you so much, Dave, for joining us this afternoon. I know you have one more performance for us, one more song. And thank you, of course, for your 2 songs earlier. But for now, before we get to you finally performing, again, could you please invite everyone to, you know, where we can check out your latest singles, where your social media are, and, of course, if you have any upcoming releases or gigs that you would want to tell us about.
Thank you very much, Easy Rock Manila, UMG Philippines, EMI, Twice to Beat Management. You can follow me, guys, at Dave Trinidad PH sa lahat ng social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Tapos, you can stream my music on Spotify and sa lahat ng digital streaming platforms. Search nyo lang Dave Trinidad and pwede nyo siyang shuffle play.
I-add to the playlists, ganon, and all that. Love it.
Shoutouts kay Lorenzo. Sana ma-add mo ako sa mga witty playlist mo.
Hi, Lorenzo. Okay, shoutout. Well, thank you again so much, Dave. We can't wait to hear your other upcoming songs. Good luck kung you were trying to tease an album or something later on. So we're also looking forward to that. But for now, everybody, let us listen to Dave Trinidad perform his song called Hayaan. My name is Shai, and this has been Easy Rock Plugged In.
Nahuhulog ng unti-unti. Paano ipagpapalit ang ganito? Di ako mapakali pag hindi ka nakapiling. Suluhan mo ko sa lamig, lika rito. Hayaan mo lang ako, hayaan mo lang akong ibigin ka. Bakit ka nakangiti? Ako bang naiisip? Lagi kong napapansin, hindi ko lang sinasabi. Bakit ka nakatingin? Oh, may gusto ka bang gawin sa'kin? Ba't hindi pa sambitin ang hindi mo maamin? Hayaan mo lang ako, hayaan mo lang ako, ibigin mo ako sa paraang gusto mo. Ibigin mo ako sa paraang gusto ko. Hayaan mo lang ako, hayaan mo lang akong ibigin. Kahapon lang ay magkasama, kahapon lang nandito ka, kahapon lang ay magkasama. Maghapon na naman nangungulila. Ibigin mo ako sa paraang gusto mo. Ibigin mo ako sa paraang gusto ko. Oh, oh, oh. Hayaan mo lang ako, hayaan mo lang ako, hayaan mo lang akong ibigin ka. Yeah.
Ibigin